Hey guys, made a quick video. Just want to show you this new poll feature. I think it's quite interesting. Go down here, click on this button, and you click on poll. So basically, let's ask our students, how was your first week back? Awesome. Great. Or not bad. I wish I was still at the beach. Hey. So you can either allow to have multiple copies or just one choice. So you could make a quick question and ask them at home before they come to class or after class. Yeah. You can just post it like that, or you can write something, maybe some instructions here. But I just put it like that, and then they have to comment. And the votes start showing up. I think my vote doesn't count because I made the poll. That's it. See what kind of in what ways can you use this in your class or for homework. Bye for now.